Ligatures are special characters in typography where two or more letters are joined together to create a single symbol. Now, most fonts don't have ligatures, but here's an example of one that does. So with the Calibri font, if you apply standard or standard and contextual ligatures, notice how the T's and the F's are combined. And if you apply the historical and discretionary ligature, the T's and F's are not affected, but the C and T and S and T are combined as symbols. And if you choose the All option, it applies all the ligature options for the font. Here are a few more examples of some fonts that have typography that uses ligatures. So in Word, if you'd like to apply ligatures, select the text, then on the Home tab, go to the Text Effects and Typography command, click the drop-down, go down to Ligatures, and select the type you want applied.